This year, the holidays are going to be a little different. So let Essential Sensations set the mood for a festive time with family, even if you have to be apart, with Sounds of the Holidays, available now for download. Just because you might not be able to be around the family this year doesn't mean you'll have to spend the holidays alone. Essential Sensations has curated the perfect ambient soundscape to bring the holidays to you, with classic holiday auditory memories like chewing, crackling candy wrappers, snores and sneezes, painful burn, family time.
Don't try me.
I find your hair all over the place.
Oh my god, then you shouldn't have kids.
Walmart.
Shut the fuck up! You all better repent! Because the kingdom of heaven is at hand!
Flying to Grandma's.
Attention American Eagle Flyers, flight 3075 with service to Miami has been delayed.
Construction sunrise. And many more. So download the latest from Essential Sensations right now and fill your home with the sounds of the holidays. Only from Essential Sensations.